Hi everybody, Alison O'Connor with Larimer County Extension, and we're here in Windsor looking at what is not crabgrass because it's April. We don't generally see crabgrass germinate until the end of May or early June. Instead, this is brome grass, which is a perennial weedy grass that sometimes moves itself into our bluegrass lawns. Now, what you need to know is that products labeled for crabgrass control or weed and feed products, they're not going to be effective on brome grass. Instead, you really have three options to consider. The first is that you could try digging it up. For small areas like that, you might have success doing that. Your second option is to use a non-selective herbicide like glyphosate, spray the area where the grass is growing, and then reseed or resod. Your third option, which is the easiest option, is to learn to live with it. Once the rest of the grass greens up and we get into spring and summer, you might not even notice it.